FFS3 GUI can be used to control and measure submicron movements of GPX glass processors and LFS large fibre splicers. This video will explain the features of the View menu in the GUI. The menu can be used to configure which toolbars are displayed, as well as switching on and off various information windows and alignment guides. Various toolbars, such as the main Splice control toolbar, can be checked and unchecked to determine if they are displayed or not. Individual processes can be added to the process toolbar so that they may be activated by a single click of a button. The macro toolbar enables individual macros to be activated by a click of a button. For example, when changing the height of a filament to ensure it is centered on the fiber. The Quick Open File toolbar enables files that are used regularly, such as normalization, to be quickly loaded into the GUI. The command bar can be used to send commands to the unit and reports the information that the unit sends back. This is not used in normal operation of the splicer. The camera bar enables the camera view to be changed. It also shows what view is currently being displayed in the GUI and enables the image focus and exposure to be set. The movement control bar allows the movement of the fibre holding block and splice head to be controlled manually. Being able to alter the position, rotation and alignment of the fibres means that precise and reliable splicing of even the most novel structured fibres is possible. The Splice process list displays the various stages of the splice file that is loaded into the GUI. As the splice is performed, it shows the progress of the splice. The process notifications, comms traffic and XML events windows show various levels of communication between the GUI and the unit. These are not used in general splicing, but can be useful for resolving any issues should they arise. If your splicer is not behaving as expected, please save the event log. This will save both the process notifications and comms traffic to a file. The results and charts windows can be configured to display information in tabular or graphical formats whenever a splice process is run by pressing the blue button. These can be configured by clicking the icon in the top left-hand corner of each window. Each of the fibre holding blocks is fitted with a strain gauge. This enables the force applied to the fibre holding block and also the fibre clamped in it to be monitored. This is particularly useful when tapering fibres. Both positive and negative tensions can be measured. The Fusion Power Monitor feature can be used to plot the power output of the filament when it is switched on. There are a variety of different alignment guides and measuring tools in the FFS3 GUI. The alignment guide shows the gap distance and where the ends of the fibres should be when the fibres are properly gapped. The crosshair guide helps when determining the straightness of edges and the alignment of the fibres. The measurement guide allows the dimensions of various features on the fibres to be determined. There are also centre and box alignment guides available if required. PM offset and previous view may be useful when aligning fibres with structure. PM offset shows the difference in the alignment between the left and right fibres. Previous view shows the image the camera obtained in its previous view in a separate window. The rotation of one of the fibres can then be adjusted, for instance using the rotation control on the movement control bar. The PM offset and the previous view can then be used to assess if the required relative alignments of the left and right hand side fibres have been achieved.